Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have another Magnum ice cream flavor made by Unilever Corporation. You know, I'm so excited to taste this because every time I try the new Magnum flavor, it surprises me very positively. So let's hope it happens this time as well. And this one is white chocolate with strawberry, so it already sounds really good. And it has a Magnum cracking chocolate. Magnum cracking chocolate, what is that? Well, there's only one way to find out with the taste test. First, here's the ingredients and their nutrient values. If you want to check it, just pause the video and let's go ahead and pop it open. Here we go. Are you guys ready? What color will it be? I guess it will be pink or white. Let's see. Oh, nice. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Looks really yummy. Here's the Magnum logo. And it smells like a strawberry already. Very strong strawberry smell. Okay, let's take the first bite. Pink inside, so I was right. It's either white or pink. It's both. That's a classic Magnum white chocolate in the cover. Let's go ahead and taste the insides. So sweet, so much strawberry. I like it. This reminds me more like the forest strawberry. You know, the forest strawberries, they're much more sweet than the traditional strawberries. The flavor is so strong, very strong strawberry flavor. But it's not too sweet, so that's really a good thing. I like to eat the sides first. You know, just the chocolate. To be honest, compared to other Magnum flavors, this one feels a little bit boring. I mean, it's good, but it's boring because there's only one flavor inside and only one cover. Like compared to the Double Gold Billionaire I reviewed last time, it had so much thing inside. Like they have the pecan nuts, they have the caramel and some kind of chocolate pieces inside, but this one is just the strawberry ice cream, so it's a little bit boring, to be honest. But the flavor, it's really good. I think the flavor is definitely up on the standards of Magnum. Like it's the top tier flavor. They didn't miss the flavor on this one. Yeah, what can I say? Just really good, solid ice cream. Magnum definitely deserves 9 out of 10. This is a really good ice cream. If you like strawberry and white chocolate, go ahead and buy this ice cream. It's really good. 9 out of 10. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, comment, donate me on PayPal. No, just kidding, don't donate me. I do this for free. You don't have to send me your bribes. Especially if you're a corporation, I will not take your bribes, okay? These reviews are 100% honest and you cannot affect it, okay? I will tell the truth neutrally, without anyone's influence, okay? That's the consumer goods expert promise. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. So good.